We'll begin with the mobile app first. I've been using tasks for years, so we see a few lists here. You will see one default list and one star list where all your favorite tasks live. You can add a new list by clicking here. Lists are like your categories. Your work, personal and project tasks can have separate lists. The top ones are the active tasks. In each list you will have completed tasks below. Those are all your completed tasks. You can move any task back to the active list by clicking this check mark. This is my work list, and I've also created a day list where I can add things to do today. Also, the best way to use it is to add the Google Tasks list widget on the home screen. I have added this one. This way I can add and complete tasks from my home screen. We can rename and delete lists from here. Also, you can delete all the completed tasks if you like. This is the sort menu. The date is selected, so the tasks are sorted by their due date. You can choose my order and drag and drop tasks as you like. The other puts the favorite tasks on the top. This is just a menu to choose the active list. To add a new task, click the plus icon. The top is the task title. Tap the clock icon to set a date and then a time. We can set the repeat rules. Choose when you want this task to be repeated. If it's weekly, you can set the day. Below is when you want to finish this task. Never means it will go until you delete it. You can set the time or the occurrence if you want to be reminded until a specific time. You can also add details to remember with the task. Hit the save button to save it. Google Tasks also supports subtasks. For that, open a task that has no repeat set. You'll notice the subtasks option. Tap on it and add subtasks. You can add as many as you like, and once the step is completed, just tap on the button to mark it. To edit a task, open it and then edit the information you like. You can edit everything and move the task to a different list. To delete this task, tap the three dots on the top and tap the delete button. To complete a task, just tap the round button. That task will be moved to completed. If a task is overdue, you'll notice the time in red color. Because tasks is from Google, it's linked with other Google apps. On mobile, if you open Google Calendar, you'll find your tasks on the set dates. If you can't, ensure task is checked under your email. You can open a task, mark it as complete and edit it from here. Another app is Assistant. Open the app and type or speak to create a new task. You can just say create a task and follow the steps, or say the complete sentence in a single go. If you open the app now, you will see this task. So this was the Tasks app. Now we'll move to its web version. First is Google Calendar. On this website, you'll find this Tasks icon. This is its interface. We see all the lists here. Creating a new list and hiding them is possible. The web version has the same options. It does not provide any additional functionality. To add a task, click the button under list or click the create button. Then add your details as we did in the mobile app. You can add subtasks by clicking the three dots next to a task. Let's move back to calendar. From here, we can also edit and complete tasks. You can also add a new task by clicking the create button. Select tasks from the list and put in the details. Another way to access tasks is from other Google websites. On sites including Gmail, you'll find a bar on the right side. Click the tasks icon to see your tasks. This version has the same options as the mobile app and calendar. However, one additional thing on the Gmail website is that we can drag and drop an email to the task. Suppose I have this email with a promotion. I will drag and drop it here and the task will create a task with the email subject. Then I'll set the task due date before the promotion's expiry date. Also, this task has this email attached. I can open this email from here, on the calendar website and in the app. Then I'll activate this offer before using it. It's a streamlined process that tasks made it happen. Alright, with everything covered, let's end this video. If you enjoyed it, please check out my other videos. I'll see you next time. Take care.